just finished doing some housekeeping, getting everything out of the way so we can continue have progress towards doing the work for Yaryis. And right now, as you can see, we have removed and we put everything on the cabinets, and we have used every single area, including these cabinets in the bathrooms for storage. So tomorrow when we're moving with the refrigerator here, we have plenty of room to maneuver without damaging anything. And we're making space here just to make sure that when we come in, we have everything we need. We did all the labeling and housekeeping around here, and everything looks good. So as you guys can see, the RV looks wide open right now, so that's how we need it. And we're gonna have a break for lunch and we'll get back to you guys. Okay, here we are. We just finished giving Yaryis a huge car wash, and let me tell you, we took like 3 hours just to get this puppy clean again. And it was hard work, but we were able to get all the green, all the dust, everything that was making Yaryis to look horrible. You see, all that was brown. Now it's black, white, and shiny. The rims are polished, the glass are clean. The front looked amazing. The glass is clean, the roof is clean. Everything was looked after. I'll make sure that I don't miss anything. And right now it's ready and beautiful again. So that was a huge job, and we got it done. We're cleaning the refrigerator and we're finding out that it's dirty like there is no tomorrow. We just finished up cleaning this drawer, but we still have to clean this area here because it's still dirty. But I want you to see the original stage and how dirty it was. So I still have a lot of work to do, and I'm gonna get on it because as you can see, I cleaned the top, watch the bottom. It's very dirty, very dirty. So I brought this table so we can put the refrigerator here and clean it easier, make it easier. So we have work to do. I will get on it and keep you guys posted. We already have the saw to open the hole for the electrical and the keyboard on the back of the refrigerator, and we're just making arrangements here to make sure that everything works seamless, and we'll get Jeff's help later on. So let me get to work. As I am cleaning the dirtiest drawer ever, I figured it out that we can remove the rubber. So when I removed the rubber, all this area was completely filthy and nasty. And look at that. So I will be able to wash it, put it back together nice and clean, and put it back here. I know my wife will be proud, which is the level of detail that I'm putting into cleaning this fridge, because we're gonna put a food in here. But what a difference. You saw the pictures before. This was a complete nightmare of a drawer. Absolutely nasty. And now it's brand new, clean and beautiful. So we're gonna let it dry, and we're gonna do the same procedure to that one. We're gonna remove the rubber on that one now that we know how. And we still have to tackle the bottom of that thing. But every challenge comes with new learnings, and this is great news. So we'll get back to you guys later with more on this.